Okay, students, good morning to all. So today we discuss transverse common tangents. Find the transverse common tangents of the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. Students, first calculate C1, C2, R1, R2. Students, in first circle G is equal to 2G is equal to minus 4, 2F is equal to minus 10, C is equal to 28. So G is equal to minus 2, F is equal to minus 5, C value 28. So center minus G comma minus F 2 comma 5. R1 is equal to root of G square plus F square minus C. So that is equal to root of G square minus 2 whole square 4 minus 5 whole square 25 minus 28. So 25 plus 4, 29, 29 minus 28. So 1, root 1 is equal to 1. So R1 is equal to 1. Next C2. In second circle G is equal, 2G is equal 4. Next 2F is equal to minus 6. C is equal 4. So G value 2, F value minus 3, C value 4. So center minus G comma minus F minus 2 comma 3. R2 is equal, so radius is equal to formula root of G square plus F square minus C. That is equal to G square 2 whole square 4, F square minus 3 whole square 9 minus C. So plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled, root 9 is equal to 3. Next C1, C2 is equal. Next C1, C2 is equal. Students, the distance between 2 points formula x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. X1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square 5 minus 3 whole square. So that is equal to root of 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus 2 4, 4 square 16 plus 5 minus 3 2, 2 square 4, root 20. Root 20 is equal to 2 root 5. 2 root 5. So here R1 plus R2 is equal to R1 plus R2 is equal to 4. Students, 2 root 5. Suppose root 4, 2. 2 into 2, 4. So 2 root 5 is greater than 4. Therefore, C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. So C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. One circle will be away from the other. One circle will be away from the other. Number of common tangents is equal to 4. C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. One circle will be away from the other. Number of common tangents is equal to 4. Number of common tangents is equal to 4. C1, 2, 5. R1, 1. C2 is equal to minus 2, comma 3. R2 is equal to 3. So C1, C2 greater than R1 plus R2. One circle will be away from the other. Number of common tangents is equal to 4. 2 direct, 2 transverse common tangents. These two are direct common tangents. So these two are transverse common tangents. So these two are transverse common tangents. So point of intersection transverse common tangents is called internal center of similitude. Students, first calculate internal center of similitude. Point of intersection of transverse common tangents is called internal center of similitude. So internal center of similitude divides C1 C in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. So this is C1. C1 is equal to 2, 5. C2 minus 2, comma 3. R1 is to R2 1 is to 3. So this is P. Students, direct common tangents, I calculate external center of similitude. Direct common tangents calculate external center of similitude. So transverse common tangents calculate internal center of similitude. So internal center of similitude divides line segment C1 sit in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Therefore, P is equal to mx2 1 into minus 2 plus nx1 3 into 2 6 by 1 plus 3 comma my2 1 into 3 plus ny1 3 into 5 15 by 1 plus 3. So that is equal to minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 4. 4 by 4 1 comma 15 plus 3, 18. 18 by 4. 18 by 4, 9 by 2. This is a internal center of similitude. Students, here calculate these two tangents. So these two tangents passing through 1, 9 by 2. In first straight lines, points from y minus y1 is equal m into x minus x1. This is point x1, y1. Students, let the slope of direct components, let the slope of transverse common tangent, let the slope of transverse common tangents, let the slope of transverse common tangents is m. So slope is m, point is 1, 9 by 2. Point slope from y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, students, here LCM is 9, 2. 2y minus 9 by 2 is equal to m into x minus 1. 2y minus 9 is equal to 2m into x minus 1. So 2y minus 9 is equal to 2mx minus 2m. So 2mx minus 2y, students, plus 2y, right hand side, minus 2y minus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0. Plus 9 is equal to 0. Friend, this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Students, calculate m and substitute in equation number 1. How to calculate m? These two are tangents. So tangent conditions, here two circles are given. So tangent conditions R1 is equal to D or R2 is equal to D. Condition of tangent is R1 is equal to D. R1 is equal to D. Students, R1 is equal to 1. R1 is equal to 1. D is equal to perpendicular distance from C1 to line 2. Students, here R1 is equal to D. So R1, 1. R1 is equal to 1. D is equal to perpendicular distance from C1 to line 2. Suppose taking R2 is equal to D. R2 is equal to 3. So D is equal perpendicular distance from C2 to line 2. R1 is equal to D, perpendicular distance from C1 to line 2. Suppose R2 is equal to D, R2 is equal to 3, D is equal perpendicular distance from C to line 2. So R1 is equal to 1, D is equal to perpendicular distance from C1. C1 is equal to 5. This is AX plus BY plus C. Perpendicular distance formula AX1. This is A into X1 2, B is equal to minus 2, Y1 5, AX1 plus BY1 plus C minus 2M plus 9 by root of A square plus B square. A square is equal to 2M whole square plus B square is equal to minus 2 whole square. Okay, students, cross multiply root of minus 2m whole square, 4m square plus 4 is equal to 2m into 2, 4m minus 10 minus 2m plus 9. Root of 4m square plus 4 is equal to 4m minus 2m, 2m minus 1. Squaring on both sides, 4m square plus 4 is equal to 2m minus 1 whole square. 2m minus 1 whole square. 4m square plus 4 is equal to 2m minus 1 whole square, a square, 4m square plus b square minus 4m. 4m square get cancelled. 4m is equal to 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. M is equal to minus 3 by 4. Students, here m square get cancelled. Slope get cancelled. Slope of one value is equal to infinity, students. Here m square cancel. Slope of one line is infinity and slope of other line is minus 3 by 4. Students, m is equal infinity and m is equal minus 3 by 4 in equation number 1. We get transverse common tangents. Students, here m square get cancelled. Slope of the value, one value is infinity and slope of other line is minus 3 by 4. Substitute infinity and minus 3 by 4 in equation number 1. So substitute m is equal infinity in equation number 1. Y minus 9 by 2 is equal infinity into x minus 1. Here 2y minus 9 by 2 is equal infinity is equal 1 by 0 into x minus 1. Cross multiply 0 into 2y minus 9 by 2. 0 is equal to x minus 1. So one line is x minus 1. One line is x minus 1. Next another line is friends, substitute m is equal to minus 3 by 4 in equation number 1. M is equal to minus 3 by 4 in equation number 1. Y minus 9 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 1. Here LCM is 2y minus 9 is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 1. So 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2y, 4y minus 18 is equal, here minus 3x plus 3. Take this one left hand side, 3x plus 4y minus 18 minus 3 minus 21 is equal to 0. So this is the important problem, students. Direct common tangents, transverse common tangents. So direct common tangents, calculate ECS, external center of similitude. So external center of similitude divides C1 seat in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. Transverse common tangents, calculate ICS. ICS divides, internal center of similitude divides R1, C1 seat in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Next points law form. Next R1 is equal to D. We get the values M and M. Substitute M in equation number 1. We get transverse common tangents. Okay, student, this is important problem. Okay, students, next problem. From a point on the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. Two tangents drawn to the circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c sine square alpha plus g square plus f square and cos square alpha is equal to 0. 0 less than alpha less than 90. Prove that angle between them is 2 alpha. From a point on the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Two tangents are drawn to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c sine square alpha plus g square plus f square and cos square alpha is equal to 0. 0 less than alpha less than 90. Prove that angle between them is 2 alpha. Angle between them is 2 alpha. Students, center of first circle is minus g comma minus f. Center of second circle is also minus g comma minus f. These two are concentric circles. Students, this is circle 1. From a point on the circle, suppose this is point. From a point on the circle, two tangents drawn to the second circle. This is one, this is another tangent. Prove that angle between them is 2 alpha. Prove that angle between them is 2 alpha. So the total angle is, suppose this is angle theta. Total angle is theta. This is theta by 2. Students, this is theta by 2. Students, this is radius of second circle. Suppose radius of second circle R2. Students, this is radius of first circle. This is R1. Students, here angle is 90 degrees. I am taking sine theta by 2. Sine theta by 2 is equal. Sine is here angle is theta by 2. Student, this is theta by 2. Student, this is theta by 2. I am taking sine. Sine is equal opposite side by hypotenuse. R2 by R1. Sine theta by 2 is equal R2 by R1. R2 is equal radius of second circle. R1 is equal radius of first circle. Students, radius of first circle is equal to root of the general equation circle radius is equal to g square plus f square minus c. Students, we calculate radius of second circle. Radius of second circle R2 is equal to root of. Students, here same g is equal to g, f is equal to f, g square plus f square minus c. This is total, this value is constant, minus c sin square alpha. Students, minus g square cos square alpha minus g square cos square alpha minus f square cos square alpha minus f square cos square alpha. Students, calculate R2. So root of g square plus f square minus c. This value is constant, minus c sin square alpha minus g square cos square alpha minus f square cos square alpha. So that is equal to, students, root of so g square minus g square cos square alpha. I'm taking g square common, g square into 1 minus cos square alpha plus f square minus f square cos square alpha, taking f square common, 1 minus cos square alpha minus c sin square alpha minus c sin square alpha. So that is equal, students, root of g square into 1 minus cos square alpha is equal to sin square alpha. 1 minus cos square alpha is equal to sin square alpha minus c sin square alpha. G square sin square alpha plus f square sin square alpha minus c sin square alpha. Okay, students, R2 is equal to root of, so I'm taking sin square alpha common, g square plus f square minus c, that is equal to sin alpha into root of g square plus f square minus c. So R2 is equal to sin alpha into root of g square plus f square minus c. R1 is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. Sin theta by 2 is equal to R2 by R1. R2 is equal to sin alpha into root of g square plus f square minus c by R1 is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. So root of g square plus f square minus c get cancelled. Remove sign on both sides. Theta by 2 is equal to alpha. Theta is equal to alpha. Okay, so this is the final answer. Theta is equal to alpha. Find the equation of all possible common tangents to the circles x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0, comma x square plus y square is equal to 1, comma x square plus y square is equal to 1. Students, find all common tangents means to direct to transverse common. Calculate direct and transverse common tangents. Students, here center of second circle is 0, 0. The radius is 1. R2 is equal to 1. Students, x minus x square plus y square is equal to 1. Center 0, 0. Radius is 1. Students, next calculate C1 R1. Students, here x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y. So 2g is equal minus 2. 2f is equal minus 6. So g value minus 1. F value minus 3. Next R1 is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. So minus 6. So 10 minus 6 root 4. Root 4 is equal to 2. Students, next C1 minus g comma minus f. 1 comma 3. Students, next calculate C1 C2 is equal to root of distance between 2 points formula 1 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square, that is equal to root of 1 plus 9 root 10. So root 10 means greater than 3. Students, here R1 plus R2 3, R1 plus R2 3, C1 C2 is equal to root 10. Here C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. So number of common tangents is equal to 4. 2 direct, 2 transverse common tangents. Students, point of intersection of transverse common tangents is called internal center of similitude. Point of intersection of transverse common tangents is called internal center of similitude. Students, first calculate internal center of similitude. So internal center similar to divide C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. So P divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Okay, students, next point P, C1 1 comma 3, C2 0 comma 0, R1 is to R2, R1 2, 2 is to 1. So point P is equal to mx2 1 2 into 0 0 plus 1 into 1 by 2 plus 1 comma my2 2 into 0 0 plus 1 into 3 by 2 plus 1 3. So here 1 by 3 comma 1 1 by 3 comma 1. So ICS. So ICS, point of intersection transverse common tangents is called internal center similitude. Internal center similitude divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Students, next calculate transverse common tangents. Transverse common tangents. Students, here pair of tangents equations S1 square is equal to S into S11. So I am taking second circle, student. S is equal to x square plus y square is equal to taking either first circle or second circle. So x is, I am taking second circle, x square plus y square is equal to 1. Equation of pair of tangents is formula S1 square is equal to S into S11. Students, x square plus y square is equal to 1 S1 x1 plus y1 minus 1 whole square is equal to S x square plus y square minus 1 into S11 x1 square plus y1 square minus 1. Students, x into x1 1 by 3 plus y into y1 1 minus 1 whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 1 into x1 square 1 by 3 whole square, y1 is equal to 1 square 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Student, here LCM x plus 3y minus 3 by 3 whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 1 into 1 by 9. 1 by 9. Students, here a plus b plus whole square, a square plus b square 3y whole square 9y square plus c square 9. Next 2ab 2 into 3 6xy. Next 2bc 2 3s are 8 6 6 3s are 18 minus 18y. Next 2ca is equal minus 6x. Friends, a plus b plus whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 6xy. 2bc 2 3s are 6 6 3s are 18 18y. 2ca minus 6x by 3 square 9 is equal to, students, x square plus y square minus 1 into 1 by 9. Students, 9 get cancelled. Students, x square get cancelled. Students, 9y square minus y square, students, 8y square plus 6xy. Students, x term minus 6x minus 18y. Students, constant here 9. Here is minus 1. Take this on left hand side. Plus 10 is equal to 0. Plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, students, dividing by 2. 4y square plus 3xy minus 3x minus 9y plus 5 is equal to 0. 4y square plus 3xy minus 3x minus 9y plus 5 is equal to. Students, this is a pair of straight line. In first year, pair of straight lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. First calculate factors of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Students, in first year pair of straight line, solving ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. First calculate factors ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Friends, 4y here ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Students, here ax square plus 2hxy plus by square 4x square plus 3xy. Students, taking y common, 4y plus 3x. Friends, here ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 4y square. Here no x square term. 4y square plus 3xy, taking y common, y into 4y plus 3x. Students, that is equal to, students, 4y square plus 3xy minus 3x minus 9y plus 5 is equal, students, y plus l into 3x plus 4y plus m. Students, already discussed in first year, students. Calculate factors of ax square plus 2hx plus by square, factors y into 3x plus 4y, y plus l into 3x plus 4y plus m. Students, next, comparing the coefficient of x. Comparing the coefficient of x. Comparing the coefficient of x. Students, coefficient of x. So x into 3x into L. Coefficient of x is 3L. Students, next, m into, no x term. So in right hand side, one coefficient of x is 3L. Left hand side minus 3. Students, the 3 get cancelled. L is equal to minus 1. L is equal to minus 1. Students, compare the coefficient of x. Here 3L. Next, m into no x term. So right hand side a coefficient of x 3L. Left hand side minus 3. L is equal to minus 1. Students, next, comparing the coefficient of y. Comparing the coefficient of y. Students, right hand side coefficient of y. Students, coefficient of y. Students, L into 4y, 4L. Students, m into y, coefficient of y is m. In the left hand side, coefficient of y is minus 9. Students, 4 into L is equal to minus 1 plus m is equal to minus 9. M is equal to minus, here minus 4. Right hand side plus 4. That is equal to minus 5. Therefore, students, L is equal to minus 1, M is equal to minus 5. Therefore, transverse common tangents are transverse common tangents are, students, L is equal to minus 1, y minus 1 is equal to 0. Students, m is equal to minus 5, 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Students, transverse common tangents y minus 1 is equal to 0. Next, 3x plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, students, next calculate. Students, next calculate direct common tangents. So point of intersection direct common tangents is called external center of similitude. Students, first calculate external center of similitude. First calculate external center of similitude. External center of similitude divides, this is point 2. External center of similitude divides C1, C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally, R1 is to 2 is to 1 externally, C1 1 comma 3, C2 0 comma 0. So Q is equal externally, students, 2 into 0 0 minus externally minus 1 into 1 by 2 minus 1 comma 2 into 0 0 minus 1 into 3 by 2 minus 1. So minus 1 by 1 comma minus 3 by 1. So that is equal minus 1 comma minus 3. Students, ECS is minus 1 comma minus 3. Students, equation of pair of tangents is S1 square is equal to S into S11. So I am taking second circle x square plus y square is equal to 1. Students, S1, x1 is minus 1. Y1 is minus 3, minus 1. S1 square is equal to S into x square plus y square minus 1 into S11, x1 square. Here x1 is minus 1 whole square. Y1 square minus 3 whole square minus 1. Friends, this is minus x minus 3y minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 1 whole square 1 minus 3 whole square 9 minus 1 into x square plus y square minus 1. Students, minus x minus 3y minus 1 whole square, taking minus 1 common, minus 1 whole square plus 1. This is x plus 3y plus 1 whole square is equal to here 9x square plus 9y square minus 9. X plus 3y plus 1 whole square, students, a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2 into 3, 6xy plus 2bc, 6y plus 2ca, 2x is equal to 9x square plus 9y square minus 9. Students, 9x square minus x square, 8x square. So 9y square get cancelled. Students, minus 6xy minus 2x minus 6y. Since constants minus 10 is equal to 0. Dividing by 2, 4x square minus 3xy minus x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. 4x square. Since 4x square minus 3xy minus x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Students, here ax square plus 2hxy plus by square 4x square minus 3xy, taking x common 4x minus 3y. 4x minus 3y. Students, 4x square minus 3xy minus x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to students, x plus L into 4x minus 3y plus m. Friends, factors of 4x square minus 3xy is equal to x into 4x minus 3y. So complete equation is equal to 4x square minus 3xy minus x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to x plus L into 4x minus 3y plus m. Friends, next comparing the coefficient of x. Comparing the coefficient of x. Comparing the coefficient of x. Friends, left hand side coefficient of x is equal to minus 1. So right hand side coefficient of x, L into 4x. Friends, multiply these to 4lx, coefficient of x 4l. Next, m into x plus m. Next, comparing the coefficient of y. Comparing the coefficient of y. Students, coefficient of y is, students, here minus 3l. Next, m into no y term. So here coefficient of y minus 3. Students, here L is equal to 1. L is equal to 1. Students, L is equal to 1. Minus 1 is equal to 4 into L. L is equal to 1 plus m. Students, m is equal to minus 5. Therefore, direct common tangents are direct common tangents or students L is equal to 1, x plus L is equal to 1, x plus 1 is equal to 0. Students M is equal to minus 5, 4x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. 4x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, students. Find all common tangents, students.